The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now Bitcoin is sitting at 1.39% in green, looking nice and dandy, but last 2 days have been dumping quite hard. Yesterday we finished in green, but it was only doji green. It wasn't like some kind of big green. This is the doji. This might actually be forming right now something that's looking like a reversal pattern. We can also talk about that. So mostly we'll just talk about what's happening right down here right now, and if we'll go up and how far up we will go before we might get some kind of reversal. Whether the reversal will come or not, it kind of depends, but we have to have all the options open. That said, check out the Patreon link, check out the Telegram link, check out all the links down below, comment, like, subscribe, all that shebang. That said, let's get in the chart to see what's happening. Okay, Bitcoin guys, Bitcoin. Let's see over here. So yesterday we had 2 days ago we had a big red candle, and then we had this doji. And after doji, right now we're having the green candle. Now, if this green candle continues, and if this green candle continues, what we're gonna have something called reversal chart pattern, candlestick pattern. These three candles over here, the red candle, the doji, and the green candle. It's some kind of a bottoming out reversal pattern that's happening all the time. So that might be actually bullish and push us up. I don't know if it's gonna push us out all the way to the 100,000 or whatever, but it will push us up at least for now on the small time frames. We're gonna also look right now on the small time frames, the 4 hourly and the 1 hourly. We're gonna start with 1 hourly chart and see what's actually happening. You can see already here that we are getting back above the 10 and 20 moving average. It's really nice move that's happening right now, and we are gonna try to test the 50 moving average on the way up. So what's been going on here, it's quite amazing actually. When we went up, down, what we created here is let me just pull this a little bit up. What we created here is a divergence, RSI divergence, right? And that's why this is a bullish divergence, bottoming divergence. That's why we went up over here, and you can see the RSI went up as well, but the price didn't get above the high over here, so we got a lower low on the price, but we got higher high on the RSI. That's a bearish, so we went down, then we went down, and then went down, but we still got a higher, we went higher on the RSI, but we went down on the price. That's bullish, so we went up. Then again we created something divergence, hidden bearish divergence. The price is going down, the RSI is going up over here, right? And then we have this pull back down, and we had pull back down here as well, and we still are having this and now no longer there is any divergence down here, and also there is no longer divergence up here. So the last part over here is actually moving without divergence in the direction it should be moving, upwards. So that's actually quite bullish. So I think we are done dumping for now. I think we are done dumping for now. I think this this divergence play, the bottoming pattern has played out, and right now we are going up. Now the only thing that we actually have to consider is whether this is going to hold and how far up we're going to go, because all of these moving averages are resistances on the way up, so we have to break all of them when we continue going up. So we're going to see how far we get there. Also on the 4 hourly chart right now there is also divergence, RSI divergence. The price is going down over here, the RSI is going up. That's why we are pulling up. But now it comes a very important moment for Bitcoin, is that we want to try to get this level, this price above 50,935. If we can do that, then we don't get, like we just saw on the 1 hourly chart frame, these bearish divergences. Because if you get this bearish divergence, something like this, the price goes, let me use the actual line. If you get something like this where the price goes down and the RSI continues going up, you get bearish divergence. So what happens that you get another fall down here maybe, and then we have to look at if you're gonna break the bottom support, or if you're gonna just hold and get some kind of or we're gonna go like here and get some kind of RSI divergence again or something like that. So the best case scenario would be just getting above this line 50,935, because then there will be no divergence, and the price will be able to continue moving up. But since we already managed to get above the 10 moving average on the 4-hourly chart with this RSI divergence, I'm thinking there is a huge probability, or big probability, there are only probabilities here, that we are going to test the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart, and that's around something like right now 53,000. So there's a big chance to test the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. And I always say on the 4-hourly chart is really important for considering whether you are moving up or down, especially these two moving averages, this 10 and 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. They're important. So we want to get above both of them, and only when you're above both of them, then you can be kind of a little bit more relaxed. But you still got a lot of moving averages right above here, around 56 to 55,000. So getting above those will also be tough as well. So one thing at a time. Right now we are looking to get above the 20 moving average. I think we are kind of in the clear here above the 10 moving average on the 4-hourly chart. This still isn't close, still 2 hours and 10 minutes left. So whether this is just gonna become a red candle and a rejection of this, that can also happen. If we just go down, continue going down over here, and we get a rejection of the 10 moving average, this can actually be quite bad. But I don't think that's gonna happen, and I'm gonna explain to you why on the daily chart. Is because we are way too what are we gonna call? We are way too extended from the 10 and 20 moving average on the daily chart. So these two lines up here, they are way extended from the rest of the price, and the price has to pull a little bit back, I think, before it actually makes another move on the downside, if we're gonna try to go on the downside. But to test these, the first thing, I think it will go up all the way up to the 53,000. Now what's gonna happen after that, it's kind of hard to say. Right now we are kind of starting to get some kind of bottom down here. Nothing is yet confirmed. I already said yesterday this might be actually some kind of a bottoming pattern, right? The double bottom over here. Whether this is gonna hold or not, it depends. The positive thing is that we are having a higher high over here. You can see this low over here and this low, and this is actually a higher than this one over here. So we are technically still in some kind of an option, so that's a good thing, I mean, right? So that can actually play out. Right now there is still a lot of flooding, a lot of bearishness, but you know, it's Bitcoin, you know, what can happen to Bitcoin? So we're gonna see what's gonna happen in the next days, or actually today and tomorrow. That's very important. So stop by the channel. You can see here getting rejected by what's that? No, this is 1 hourly, but 4 hourly is there. Yeah, it's getting rejected by the line. So we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. You know, the 4 hourly, it just goes so slow. You need an entire day to get a few candles over here. But the best case scenario is getting this candle a little bit longer up. That will be very bullish reversal pattern forming. So if we can get this candle to close somewhere up here or something like that, that would be the best case scenario, because then you get these three candles, the red, the doji, and the green candle, the reversal candlestick pattern. It's really nice. It's really nice. It can be real nice. Now, as always, you have to take precaution, because this can you know, Elon Musk can always tweet something and we can enter the bear market, you know. Subscribe to the channel to check out more Bitcoin videos, and check out the Patreon link and Telegram link down below. I think there is something for you. You might find something interesting. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.